My first emotion was absolute shock. It's like, say what? She's where?
I felt really anxious, like whatever is gonna happen to me, can it just hurry up and happen?
What happened? What have I done as a parent? And so there's this feelings of guilt.
Panic. That's what I felt like. Panic.
I had to see her. I had to know that she was okay.
Going through the juvenile court process can be confusing and even scary for both youth and their parents, but you can get through it. This video will describe your role as a parent in the juvenile court process. As a parent or guardian, you are an important part of the juvenile court team. Because you know your child, you can share information during court hearings and have conversations with probation counselors about what will help your child and your family. Your child will be appointed a defense attorney during their first meeting or hearing at the court. Your child will usually meet with their defense attorney at the court before their next hearing. Your child's defense attorney's job is to make sure your child receives a fair hearing in front of the judge. The defense attorney may not be able to discuss all aspects of your child's case with you because they represent your child and not you. Your child will most likely have to attend court multiple times for meetings called hearings. It is often helpful for you to attend these hearings. If you can't get to the court, you can ask your child's defense attorney or probation counselor if you can join by phone or send a written statement. It will be helpful to let them know if you won't be able to attend in person as soon as you know you cannot attend. Your child may be assigned a probation counselor to help them through the court process, whether or not they are formally put on probation. Ask the help desk or the defense attorney about how to contact the probation counselor. Your child's probation counselor will likely interview you and then make recommendations to the judge. You should bring up your child's strengths as well as your concerns. For example, let the court know what motivates your child, what activities they are involved with, and what you think would be helpful for them. The judge may use this information to make the best decision for everyone involved. Remember that your talk with the probation counselor is not confidential, and anything you say about your child can be repeated in court.
I had a good relationship with my son's PO, and she was very, very helpful, very helpful. So I say my understanding came from her.
You might be wondering, will I have to pay for my child's court process? You may be asked to pay attorney and detention fees. If your child is referred for counseling, you may also need to pay for it. Sometimes you can pay these court fees on an income-based sliding scale. Your child's probation counselor may answer your questions about paying fees. You play an important role in the juvenile court process. The court needs to hear your voice about what you think is best for your child. While it may be a frustrating experience, you can get through it successfully. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit www.uwhelpingfamilies.org, the website of the Division of Public Behavioral Health and Justice Policy at the University of Washington. This video was produced in cooperation with Team Child, with support from the MacArthur Foundation Models for Change, and with thanks to the Clark County, Snohomish County, and King County Juvenile Courts, Washington Dads, and the Washington State Partnership Council for Juvenile Justice.